your Meyẹ friend Israel. Or Meyẹ tosu mi enu enyame shra. Your mind Ghana. Uyi Israel. Ghana no Meyẹ tosu mi enu enyame abrese.
And then agree minister or my mo buy a toes back 5 cities. Because agree minister or nam auto hotel. Na ni mre say oba be ku aduma bi. Na ha de ye di akro.
Ye wo bibia bi wa. Koko wa ha. Bauxite, timber, oil, margarine, fontomre, abayele, edi ball, no mo, enkankom, entontom brekese. And then any Ghana.
Yeah, penny for only what even they are doing. They don't even know because for a country, they be a baby about oba be fiso. Na sika na drop so low. Na mate say deputy finance minister. O catch here say, "Hey, normal. Hey, are you normal?" O catch here say normal. Say CD, be 3 cities now call 15 cities. O catch him say normal. Then you hear the mo baba here.
Your national anthem, you gonna say, "God bless our homeland Ghana." And God bless them. According to God curse.
You can manage common currency. Currency common.
Once mo jana na nam hwegu ye yenya de ye nto aso. And you hwie mo jam. And e ma yi say tuguo. And the secret what mu nyina sisi quality adane cho. But I say, na enkrofo asojafo bobituo, policefo bobituo, civilians nso bo sojafo tuo. And e bi so bo prosecute. Mo jana ye to aso.
O person will set your business in this country. The bureaucracy you have to go through. Abnormal. Taxes are ye dey go so taxes nso ye hu ne dey ye. Kwasiasem.
Meyẹ independent 60-something years. Yeah, that's what the life of God is. 60-something years. Yeah, independent 60-something years. Yeah, that's what the light of him.
I Xposed GH. You bet me from Ben Bruce. Which I'm not from here. Meyẹ was so. Also subscribe na share mobi. And then per se. You can't send back program where friend Ghananii. Meyẹ Ghananii. Also Meyẹ Ghananii ana. Where Ghananii nam so Meyẹ Ghananii the name. Mama mbo ma adwen na so bo wadwen. And then person you can be ho asem a ye menti ase o Ghana ye. Minim so oti ase a independence. Na person answer kran be kan what is independence? Ye nko we mni nko what is the meaning of independence? I say independence is the state of being free of the control of some other person, country or an entity. Free. Person be a simple question. Is Ghana free? Obeka say yes. Obeka say no. But to me, it's positively no. I don't make us ye shenyama akoso wo ye memu after 60-something years of independence. Now still your budget. You draw up your budget. I said to Washington. No more shame. No more yiniama be film. As and now ye can say Bank of Ghana. Obronifita wo honma ono no all directed the affairs of what the Bank of Ghana because sabe yentimi ehwe ye wo so eno ne the hard truth Ghana yentimi hwe ye wo so we have failed as a nation because yen failure anka IMF ankomo metena ha ye wa man bia omonko IMF da let's raise the bar yenja say ye keka oh na Tanzania omonko IMF. We are bigger than them. Ghana, we are big. Some men will say, you start to see a benya what the big thinking cap. It means that I see who say we are far superior than most of the nations in the world. It means that Yabun Yamabiso. Say after 60-something years, now still your budget, your court may be more actual my now you even people who are controlling that from the West. Yeah, draw budget. I just say yeah grants near they are supporting. Meanwhile, this country is destined with gold resources and other mineral resources. Make us make car at the jeba boy. Now yeah truly independence. And can yeah 5G network Ghana. Only how much you are selling it for? Petri Sam. Meanwhile, the government could have raised about 400 to 500 million from the sale of what the 5G network. But as we are talking now, send your year number India ni tycoon bia warranty Ghana ye obia ni sika obetimi ato ye 5G network no. This is the country we are in. Na answer na mabie mu no. Ye papa so for kum chacha akeka nsem bi. Menene ya adwen. Na mpesa okotie ba na oba me bo ma adwen na so bo wadwen. Ye hwe video ni.
Enye nshira keto. Eja no kra pa ye uni. Da no me kawe. Wo yi o man ye friend Israel. O Meyẹ tosu mi enu enyame shra eye o man Ghana uyi Israel Ghana no o Meyẹ tosu mi enu enyame abrese ye wo bibia bi wa koko wa ha bauxite timber oil margarine kontomre abayele edi ball nomo enkankom kontomre entontom prekese eden eni Ghana your national anthem you to say God bless our homeland Ghana and God bless no akoda ne God curse God bless na kwaye God curse ye wi ane ya to ba akwa kan ho ye nawra ya sasini eya bodin di mayen moja ye nananum hwiegu oreto o mayen edume ne onsoso siebe ye bi ato aso wonse moja na nanam hwiegu ye ne yenye de ye nto aso ene ye hwie moja gu ene emagin sen tuguo ene sakre gotamu nyina sisi quality adane chok what I say na enkrofo asojafo bobituo police fo bobituo civilians nso bo sojafo tuo ene bi so bo prosifo moja na ye to aso omanya ye nya independent 60 something years ye da so the light of what I say 60 something years yeah ye nya independent 60 something years ya da so the light of so for ya bakai
omana badadwa ya nyini si yenyini
60 something years that try makwa burochire nkuro bebira akwa burochire burochire kuro bi yenu wonu ma ye dum light 2 minutes ebi si da
ade it dum better
so for 60 something years
ebi kwa 1 week na odem
ya wo oil ya wo timber ya wo bibia hwa galamsey ya man panin na na dodan kwa kufu adu no nyamfo baye e no se me galamsey me di me ni padua be ko age da ka Ghana fo yenya galamsey na yensuo nya papa what I say ena galamsey no ministers ne fan na etu
utu mu fo ne etu
ministers ne fan na etu MP fo ne fan na etu ahemfo ne fan na etu sabe nkwasiafo ahemfo ni bi kwasiafo ministers ne nkwasiafo MP fo ni bi and etutu galamsey no what I say o man osofo baby was a wo kan okura na no be o manya independent 60 something years mo da so that light of o ko kan wo bi say ka bible mu asam they are making kan efri mfante dokum efri agwalemam efri duyam 67 60 something years independent yeah that's so the dum som yeah that's them
o kan dey politics
pacha so akọ ba pathetic asem na ye papa kum chacha kan enuku etuodo because basic necessities they can say basic ade nipa ese wo hia keke enye se wo beto but dia eye necessary kran Ghana ye ni bi ena no pay me bay mate say NHIS health insurance bueno governments odiomoka 2.4 billion Ghana cedis. Meanwhile, no, ya loan him say the government has what forward the money. Sa sika we unima snid for sika nyina yet 2% every month at the court. Eti eno no a done deal. Jiji sika keke next year onward no eno kwa so a problem. Sika no enam he. And then na statutory payments na no edika. Meanwhile, the country is not going forward. Sika ne fine. Sika no e fine. Because e perform say e ya ne bia ye tua ya ka to the international law but when no ya boka say we in a junk category it as ye kasa eneya ye kasa kra no masa Ghana ye timi ko borrow from what the world financial markets because ya broker you know meanwhile sika sabi ye jeme tax ye jewo tax I see a bit tua ne ma say health insurance no be ko benya see a behwa no eno so enko electricity they are owing because the government fails to pay the money. Hey, snid for sika say ye dio bisa ho se sika ni nyina ekwa he now ye buy your country nim the way ye govern na ekọ na eye mobo ya hwe ye bedu time bi no ne be dipo ebe mobo edu samre no ena mete se na oduntu no bi ka se wokoto toast back na back ya 5 cities so ha ya du ho na eden e kofa agric minister the oil businessman all hotels at all agric minister meanwhile agric the basic need of Ghana and only the bone of Ghana's what economy. It will you be serious with the work. And the agreement our memo by a total back 5 cities. Because agreements are on them auto hotels. Nani may sir Obabe baby. Direction no anyhow. Direction one quite a young man or buy me for say or the turn around but me who be or yeah or the nam and now obo their visits. For Ghana to move out of Wenu, we need to do what we call large scale farming. As a government, you know, eto assassin and or Jane assassin back from what? The chiefs. Say land system na sabe assassin what ahemfunism I don't know group on my Ghana because saban pebibia difficult. Say individual crap large scale farming I mean say say okohu ahemfutisa 5. No mo nyina timi agree. Make a large scale farming. I'm talking about 100 acres of land. Yeah, the year farming. The government, you know, why you serious and can say and can we change some of the laws, you know, to make it impossible for what the chief to own lands because the lands does not belong to anybody. Say, okay, child, for say, me Bajiland and not be their year four. Na say be unko tom ma unko four. Na the be year four. They will understand. They are Ghanaians. Na yet your memu na komo die it was back 5 cities. The other time me say me kotom me ko 10 cities. Ye kai mame. In toss 2018 now bo sa we ni addition no na 56 and 200. O catch me say the whole world is going forward. Who told you that? Kwa America ko he. Adia 10 years ago, no more turn is the same thing because they are managing the economy well. And yes, Sabe, agro ni edidi. Now, how do you di agro? We petty for only what even they are doing. They don't even know because for a country, they be a baby about befisono. Na sikan drop so low. Na matese deputy finance minister. O catch here say, "Hey, normal. Hey, are you normal?" Okay, say normal. Say CD, ebefi 3 cities now call 15 cities. Okay, say normal. Then you the mobile bed. Yeah, the mobile by say some bed. And you say someone tell me you can manage common currency. Currency common. Demand and supply. Ultimate yet. So say look at inflation. Baby, I see the one see 27. Messi Togo 3.6. Meanwhile, we pride ourselves, say we are the light of Africa. Say yeah, the boom saw of Africa. O light in yet, o road network in yet, o see someone yet, Bibia and then you are inviting what investors. Do you think they are fools? They don't bring their money. O person will set up business in this country. The bureaucracy you have to go through, abnormal. The bureaucracy you have to go to just to set up a business in Ghana is abnormal. Taxes are ye dear go so taxes so ye hu ye de ye nkwasiasem. Na when you na kwasi baako leadership Ghana and you see a nyansa but we have bad leaders since Kwame Nkrumah, exception of few. The rest has been disaster. And yeah, the couples be almost started in Samrikano. When I come, when you came, what did you do? And you two, while you are here, what are you doing? When I come, Ghana for Jimmy, ya saw you back Jumano, na Saudi Omachi. The politician is not cheap. Maybe the Kaya Anka, I feel we'll go beyond Twaba. I'm telling you, but me who the sense in it, see about Twaba. Me who what I gain from it. Say me to about every 4 years I have to suffer. Obroni kwa to about him say it is to what better his what future generations. But yet the idea is to put our future generations is what hardship. And we've been going through this over and over again. I cycle. And then Nyamba can say, is Ghana truly independent? Maybe there. In him say yeah independence. Meyẹ Ghananii. Also Meyẹ Ghananii ana. I Xposed GH. FM Bruce. yɛbɛsan hyia da sɛ ne bye bye